Ko harauta te waka, ko manawaru, ko poketapu, ko papatū ngā maunga, ko te arai te uru te awa, ko Ngāti Kaipoho, ko Ngāti Maru, ko ngai tāwhiri ngā hapū, Rongowhakaata te iwi, Ruapani te tangata, ti hei Māori ora. The Treaty of Waitangi is a commitment between the British Crown and the indigenous people of Aotearoa. In Tūranganui-a-Kiwa, it was signed by the hapu of Rongowhakaata, Ngai Tāmanuhiri and Taitanga Mahaki. Nationally, we acknowledge the signing of the treaty on the 6th of February 1840. However, Manutuke was the first place the treaty was signed in Tūranganui-a-Kiwa between the 5th and the 12th of May of that year. The Treaty of Waitangi was signed at Tauranga Kōau Pā in Manutuke, 11 kilometres south of Gisborne. Tauranga Kōau was built for Te Tiriti, who was chief of Rongowhakaata when the first Europeans arrived. 24 chiefs of the hapu of Tūranganui-a-Kiwa signed. This included the likes of Wirumukingi, Mātinga Tūkareaho and Tāmati Wakamangere. The witnesses at the time were Anglican missionaries William Williams, the first Bishop of Waipu, Henry Williams Jr. and George Clark Jr. This was the history of the signing of the Treaty of Waitangi according to Rongowhakaata. Kia tū rangatira ai a Rongowhakaata.